Welcome! Today I'm gonna teach you how to turn on dark mode on Instagram. Instagram has just updated its app so that it can leverage the new native dark mode. What you need to do is just to turn on the dark mode and then everything's black. Yeah, Instagram will auto adjust to dark mode. And the most important thing is that to make sure you're running iOS 13 on your iPhone and you have the latest version of Instagram. We'll just turn it off. And then I'm gonna teach you how you could turn it on from your setting on your device. You go to your setting and then find display and brightness. You tap dark. Go back to your Instagram. You see, Instagram is in dark mode right now. And if you go back to the settings of your device again to tap light, go back to your Instagram. You see, Instagram is back to normal. The dark mode disappeared. And then go back and tap dark. Go back to your Instagram. You can see your Instagram is in dark mode right now, which means Instagram will by default automatically respond to your device system setting. And once again, please make sure you are running iOS 13 on your iPhone and you have the latest version of Instagram. For Android users, it's exactly the same thing. Make sure you update your device to Android 10 and you have the latest version of Instagram. That's all about today. If you want to learn more tips about Instagram, you could check the link on the top right corner and remember to subscribe our channel. Thank you.